Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. I'll be showing you how to log into your Fiverr account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll be instantly notified as soon as we post a new video. Start by going to your web browser on your computer or your mobile device. It really doesn't matter, and type in www.fiverr.com, hit the enter, and soon you'll be taken to its official website, which looks like this. To log in, click on the sign in button located at the upper right. You can sign in to Fiverr with your Facebook, your Google, or with your Apple accounts as well, or simply enter your email or your username which you created during the sign up process. After you type in your email or your username, type in your password. If you don't want the site to remember you, then uncheck this box over here which says remember me. In case you forgot the password and can't seem to remember it, then click on Forgot Password, and doing this will guide you through an instruction to reset your password for your account. Click on the Continue button, and soon you'll be logged into Fiverr account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.